Breaking updates coming in today at 3:22 p.m. Delhi's peak power demand clocked 8,647 megawatt, which is the highest ever in the history of the national capital. So Delhi's peak power demand clocked over 8,000 megawatt for the very first time on the 22nd of May 2024. Since then, Delhi's peak power demand has crossed 8,000 on 8 occasions. On their part, the BRPL and BYPL successfully met the peak power demand in their respective areas. That's a statement that has come in from the DISCOM officials. Record daytime temperature in the national capital pushing the power demand, which already peaked the previous highs earlier this month, further northwards as the capital recorded a power demand of over 8,000 megawatt yet again. My colleague Sabyasachi joining us on the broadcast with the details. Sabyasachi, the temperatures and the heat wave across the national capital well known, which is why a new record has been set. Thankfully, though, this demand of the peak power has been met successfully, as stated by the DISCOM.
Well, absolutely. Today at around 3:22 p.m. to be precise, Delhi's peak power demand clocked at 8,647 megawatt. It is the highest ever recorded in the history of the national capital, and because the reason behind this is the continuous increase in the temperature and the scorching heat wave that is going across the national capital region. And in this particular time, one good news is that the utilities were able to met the demand. There was no discontinuation of power that took place in the demand had been met.
Okay, all right. Sabyasachi, we'll have to leave it at that. Thank you for joining us. Some of the residents, though, did report power cuts with no prior intimation or information about the same peaking because of the heat wave.